Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab hosted by Metal Scrappin Chick and Crafty Crabb. This is the first month of the official collab for 2020. Last year several of us were playing along with Metal Scrappin Chick and Crafty Crabb, but now it's an official collab with more than just the two of them. There's about 6 or 7 of us now that are in the collab, and every month we have a theme. For now, this collab goes through May of 2020, and we will post on the 3rd Sunday of every month. I don't think we have a specific time that I remember anyway, thankfully this week or this month. And this month's theme was love or Valentines. So let me show you what I used. Yeah, I did use Stampin' Up because I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, yeah, no. So I again used this Heartfelt stamp set, which is in the 2020 mini catalog. It's really nice. I love that it has friendship and stuff, and you'll see. And then I used the layering squares. Hang on. Oops, sneak peek. Which have these, they have plain edge, and they have scalloped edge, and I used several of the scalloped edge. I used the largest one, and I believe I used this one and this one. Yeah, I don't have them numbered like some demonstrators do, because unless you number them the same way, it won't make any sense. I'd rather just show you. So that's what I used, and I followed a tutorial from Dawn's Stamping Thoughts from January 15th of 2008. She's been doing Stampin' Up a long time. Anyway, it was a Stampin' Up demonstrator. And I made this card envelope card. So I just cut out one of the, the other thing is I used Designer Series paper, the From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. And I'll put the item codes down below. It's got some red and some Flirty Flamingo foiling, but the piece I used, I'll show you in here, was this one. It has foil hearts on one side, but the arrows on the other. And I went with the arrows this time. I like the arrows. So, but this is cut out of that paper with the Heart Duo punch, and I just used the one scalloped one out of the set, and there's the item code for the Duo, which is available as of this video. But if you're watching this after let's see, after May of 2020, these items may or may not have still be available, as in they may or may not carry over. And even they may run out of stock before then, so get them while you can. So that's the one side of the envelope, which I won't use this as a mailing envelope. I'll put it in another one. And then on this side, the envelope flap, I just put, these are the scalloped squares in Real Red and Whisper White. I stamped this in Real Red from the Heartfelt set right there. And these, I'm so happy to report that I finished another thing, although I do have another pack, but there were 2 left in this pack of heart epoxy droplets, which are these. Now they are clear, so what I did is I just took my dark Flirty Flamingo alcohol marker, which is called Stampin' Blends for the Stampin' Up ones, and I colored them with Flirty Flamingo. So the last 2 are on there. Yay! And then it opens like this. I may have to trim that just a tad. And then it opens like this. So I have roses are red, violets are blue. So lucky to have a friend like you. And that is the card. It's pretty easy to make. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. And this just tucks in there. So yeah, and if you'd like me to do a tutorial on it, let me know. But like I said, I'll put a link to Dawn's Stamping Thoughts video down below the list of participants in this collab. So that's all I got done for this month, is the one card, but I think it's kind of cool. And I'm glad, you know, love and Valentine's doesn't have to be for being in a relationship. It can be a friendship. And I like that Stampin' Up! Did that this time. This is being friends is better than eating candy is another one, but let's do that too. I haven't used that yet, so stay tuned. I'll probably be using that soon. And then even it has love or love you lots, can be for family, you know, whatever. And it does have Happy Valentine's Day, but it's more than just that. So that is my card. Please go check out Metal Scrappin Chick and Crafty Crabb, who are our hosts, as well as the other ladies. There's 5 or 6 others. I know if I try to rattle their names off, I forget somebody, and I don't want to do that. So please check the links below. And I can't wait to see what they came up with for this month. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.